Robots are becoming a bigger part of our daily lives, helping us clean, assisting in workplaces, and even providing companionship. But have you ever wondered what it really costs to own a robot? From the initial price tag to long-term expenses, there's more to consider than just the purchase price. At first glance, a robotic vacuum, a robotic pet, or even a humanoid assistant might seem like a one-time investment, but let's break it down. The initial cost can range from a few $100s for basic models to tens of thousands for advanced robots with AI capabilities. However, that's just the beginning. One of the biggest hidden costs of owning a robot is maintenance and repairs. Just like a car, robots require regular upkeep. Parts wear out, sensors need recalibration, and software updates are essential to keep them functioning efficiently. Depending on the type of robot, maintenance costs can range from tens to thousands of dollars per year. Then there's energy consumption. While most household robots are designed to be energy efficient, industrial and humanoid robots require significant power to operate, which can drive up electricity bills over time. Another factor to consider is software and upgrades. Many modern robots rely on AI and cloud-based services, meaning subscription fees or costly software updates may be required to unlock new features or keep the system secure. Some high-end robots require paid service plans just to ensure they continue to operate smoothly. For business owners, there's also the cost of integration and training. Whether it's a robotic arm for manufacturing or an AI-driven assistant for customer service, employees often need training to work alongside these machines, which adds to the overall investment. And let's not forget replacement parts and accessories. Need a new battery, a set of replacement brushes for your robot vacuum, a more advanced sensor. These costs can add up over time, making ownership more expensive than you initially expected. So, is owning a robot worth it? It depends on your needs. While robotic technology can save time, improve efficiency, and even offer companionship, the true cost of ownership extends far beyond the sticker price. Understanding these expenses will help you make a smart, informed decision before bringing a robot into your home or workplace. What do you think? Would you invest in a personal or business robot? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the future of technology.